Hey guys, WooHog1 here again. This time we're going to go over some of my long guns. Starting off, we have the Remington Model 742 Woodsmaster chambered in 30-06. We have a Remington Model 1100 12 gauge with an improved cylinder barrel. We have the M14 chambered in 308. We have Winchester Model 61 22 long rifle. We have Winchester Model 24 double barrel. We have Mossberg Model 500 20 gauge with a modified choke. The 742 Woodsmaster is chambered in 30-06. It does have a Simmons Blazer 3x9x50 scope on it with the pronghorn scope rings. The Remington 1100 has had a trigger job done on it. It does have the engraving on the receiver as well as the bolt, and it has magazine extension. The M14 is still a project rifle, however it does have a 6x18 variable power scope set up to 300 yards with the flash suppressor on it. It is chambered in 308. You have Winchester Model 61 22 long rifle. It is a pump action. It's a 14 shot. You have the Winchester Model 24 12 gauge 2 3/4 chamber or 2 3/4 chamber, the full and modified choke barrel. Then you have the Mossberg Model 500. This is chambered in 20 gauge. 2 3/4 and 3-inch shells, and this is a pump action as well. So there you go, guys. Those are all my guns, all my long guns, and I hope you enjoy it.